Alright guys, in this video we are going to be discussing one of the most important ingredients to rank your videos at the top of YouTube within next 48 to 24 to 48 hours after uploading your video. This stuff is absolutely ninja guys, so pay your full attention over here. Now let me quickly jump over to one of my YouTube channels to show this thing to you live, because I don't want to show it to you by theory, but let's do it practical. Now in order to optimize your video, look at that. Just by following this stuff, how many views I have got for some of my YouTube videos for free. 7,000, almost 3,000, 10,000 views. Alright guys, 3,000. So you can see all of my videos over here. Now I'm going to be sharing those exact techniques to you at this moment, how to rank your videos at the top of YouTube search engine overnight. Now the first thing I want to talk to you is to have a nice headline. Now you can see the headline, how I written this over here: Pure Leverage Pre-Launch Webinar in English Part 1 of 2. Now once you add numbers, or once you do a long tail keyword like make money online in USA, or make money online in 2015, something like that, which is known as a long tail keyword, or just expanding your keyword, Google or YouTube specifically loves that, because it enhances your views, it makes it more authentic. Another thing what you can use in your headline over here or in your title is the use of question mark, right? Like for example, do you want to get more leads and more sales online? Question mark. Are you struggling to make money online? And you can always use a pipe symbol to add both the headlines together into a single title, and somehow YouTube loves that particular thing. Now once you have done that, the second thing which I want to discuss with you over here in order to optimize your videos online is something known as time stamping. Now time stamping is a thing which a lot of video marketers do not even have a clue about, but somehow YouTube loves time stamping. Let me show you these things first, and then I'll show you and I'll tell you why YouTube kind of loves this stuff. Now to do so, just go to description and click on this pen, and it will be inside the edit option. Okay, now this video is 16 minutes 10 seconds long. Now timestamping works for videos which are more than 15 minutes up to 1 hour, 1.5 hour long. Now the visitors don't often have the kind of patience to go through a 1 hour long video. So for that, what we can do, we can use time stamping. Very simple. Like I do 1 minute and 05, just 1 colon 05. Then say I do 12:07, and let me do another one, let's say 14:01. Okay, so once I do so, what I'll do, I'll simply click on save. Okay, and once I do that, what will happen, see all these links have now this has become links now, and this has become clickable. Now once a visitor comes over here, and the moment they clicks on this links like this, they will automatically go to the video part which is playing at 1 minute and 5 seconds. Similarly, if a visitor directly clicks on your link which is at 14 minutes, and they click over here, immediately it goes to 14 minutes. Alright, now what are the advantages? Somehow YouTube loves this stuff, because they think that you are kind of navigating the user or the visitor through the entire process, number one. Number two, once you have multiple tags, multiple timestamping over here, and say for example a user comes and clicks on the timestamp, the same user comes over here and clicks it for 3 times, so YouTube will count it for 3 views instead of 1 view. Isn't that cool guys? Alright, so similar number of users come, but your views increases tremendously because you are using timestamping. Plus somehow once you do this timestamping stuff, YouTube loves it. They enhances your ranking tremendously, and I have tested this personally, and this is absolutely awesome, guys. This work like a champ. So the first thing I discussed over here is to have a headline, have a long tail keyword written headline, use piping, have question marks over there, try to use years, then have time stamping inside your videos, which is absolutely ninja. Then a lot of people ignore this particular area of description, but guys, use that. Now ideally you can write up to a 400 letter article over here. You can just paste it. It also increases your rankings tremendously. Now once you write your article, be sure of one thing, that you should be using your main keywords at least 4 to 5 times inside the article over here. Like for example, I have written over here pure leverage pre-launch webinar in English. You can also add how to make money with pure leverage. Okay, like that. You can add your main keywords 4 to 5 times inside this article, and as I told you, you can have maximum 400 words article, 400 letters, 400 words article, not letters. Why? Because again, this will enhance the rankings of your video. But do not use your main keywords more than 4 to 5 times because Google might get angry with you. Don't do that. So the first thing, again to recap, we discussed about the headlines, long tail keywords, question marks. Then we have discussed about the ninja technique of time stamping. Very simple method. Just use a colon and automatically it will take the user to the position or the exact position of the video. Then we discussed about the article part. Now I want to talk to you about something again which is pretty much ninja, and which can increase your video rankings like off the roof. They can give you at least twice views, and it can crash any search engine within a few hours of uploading your video. Okay, now I'm inside one of my other channel. To do so, I just click the video and click on edit. Alright, simple. There is no rocket science involved over here. Okay, now once I do so, the video is going to be actually the editing portion or the edit section of the video is going to be loading, and once it's done, just come to the advanced setting. Now here we are inside the advanced setting. Now this particular thing also, a lot of marketers either they don't know or they ignore, but this increases your rankings tremendously. Even when I used to think myself as a pro video marketer, I didn't know this thing and I ignored this, but this increases your rankings tremendously. What is that? You should come to the advanced setting, and over here you should include your video location. Say for example, for myself, I am in India, so I just include India. Okay, just type in India over here, and that's it. It will be taken from that location, and then you should be adding the recording date of the video. Okay, this is very important. Why this is very important to add a recording date? Because it adds the authenticity of your video. Google thinks that this is an original content, this is an original video, and they just love this stuff. So once you save your video, after doing all your stuff, after doing your tagging and SEO and all this particular stuff, always do add your recording date and recording location. It will take some time to appear, the location to appear, but it's okay. So once you do both these things, just to re-emphasize, it adds your authenticity as a video marketer. Google thinks it's an original content by you, and it proves you're a real person. So you'll see that once you do so, it will help you to outbid your competition, and it will really crush them and to rank your videos on top of YouTube. So guys, I believe this particular video will be very helpful for you to rank your videos on top of any search engine on any topic within a few hours, get tons of traffic and leads, and absolutely dominate your competition. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video of off page optimization. Thank you so much.